The Kenworth W 900 motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling mansion on wheels. Known for its iconic design and unmatched road presence, this machine blends raw power with luxury in ways very few motorhomes can. On the outside, it screams class and muscle with that long-nose American truck look. And inside, it transforms into a full-blown luxury apartment. From polished chrome accents to those signature headlights, every inch of the W900 is built to impress. The moment you step inside, you're welcomed with a cabin crafted with leather, wood trims, LED mood lighting, and all the comforts of a premium home. Built on one of the most reliable platforms in the trucking world, the Kenworth W 900 motorhome doesn't compromise on strength or performance. Under the hood, it's typically powered by a heavy-duty Cummins X15 or a similar beastly engine, pushing massive torque to haul everything without breaking a sweat. Even with all its weight, it offers smooth highway cruising, thanks to advanced suspension systems and top-tier transmission setups. Whether you're climbing steep grades or coasting across flat open roads, the drive is effortless and confident. Drivers love the high-command seating position, the quiet cabin, and the panoramic views that make long hauls less tiring and more enjoyable. But the real magic begins in the living quarters. This motorhome is equipped with a spacious lounge, high-end kitchen with induction cooktops, a full-size fridge, microwave, and solid countertops. The entertainment zone features a large screen, surround sound, and Wi-Fi connectivity. There's even a compact office space for remote work. The bathroom is fitted with a glass door shower, ceramic toilet, and luxury fittings. And when it's time to rest, the master bedroom comes with a queen or king-size bed, climate control, and plenty of storage, making it feel like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. Onboard systems include solar panels, lithium battery banks, automatic leveling, and a backup generator, so you're never out of power. Climate control is advanced, with both AC and heating systems that adapt to any weather. Safety isn't compromised either. You get radar-based cruise control, lane assist, rear and side cameras, and tire pressure monitoring. It's a mix of old-school muscle and modern-day smart tech. People who've driven or lived in the Kenworth W 900 motorhome often say it's more than just a vehicle. It's an experience. It redefines freedom by letting you take your home anywhere, from the mountains to the coasts. Whether you're a road trip lover, a long-haul adventurer, or someone chasing sunsets, this rig offers unmatched versatility and pride of ownership. It turns heads at every gas station, RV park, or truck stop. And let's be honest, owning one makes a bold statement. This machine isn't cheap, but you're paying for premium craftsmanship, durability, and the prestige that comes with the Kenworth name. It's built to last for decades, not years. With proper care and upgrades, your W 900 motorhome can become a legacy vehicle passed on through generations. Overall, it's one of the most iconic, powerful, and luxurious ways to travel across the country in comfort, style, and confidence. If you're in the market for a serious motorhome that brings big rig power and high-end luxury together, the Kenworth W 900 is worth every look. It's not just a ride, it's a lifestyle on wheels. For more in-depth reviews, real-life test drives, and expert insights, stay tuned to Honest Auto. Wheels for everything you need to know about the best machines on the road.